few moments later.
Yo, what's up? So here's how I destroy this crash 300 using this strategy. Okay, here's how I destroyed this crash 300 using this strategy. So right now let me show you how exactly I do it. You see, perfect. First, second, third, boom, started buying. Okay, that's 4 hour time frame. And then if you switch to 1 hour, you can come here and check. This is an oversold zone. Okay, so we are anticipating it to buy to somewhere right here. Okay, so that's exactly how I trade this in small accounts using this simple strategy. So we're making money. Deposit 96, profit right now. We got running trades 117 USD running right now. So we are cruising nicely. Okay, so the VIP members received this signal. Check out the entry. You see, perfect entry. So let's the market twisting. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and also to click the notification bell icon so that you will be notified as soon as I post new content on this account. See, this is a real account, real money. Okay, let's make money. 120, just like that.